Mag-grocery kami, guys.
Why are you taking a
Ito
picture?
kami ngayon sa Walmart.
Let's start. You can use that.
Yeah, use that one. So far, guys, ito pa yung nabili namin. Yan. Alice getting some juice. Try din natin kumuha ng cheese. Unsang classic cheese ang gamiton sa fruit salad since they don't have that cheddar from the Philippines. Alin got more soft drinks. Kuha din tayo ng cheddar cheese, guys. So far ito na yung nabili namin on our grocery day. Bili din tayo ng dalawa nito, guys. So gonna buy 2 of this for our fruit salad. Bili din tayo dito, guys, para sa ating macaroni salad. We're also gonna buy elbow macaroni. Ito na, so far ito na yung nabili natin, guys. I think babayaran ko about $100 na. Ang bigat na ng cart ko. Sa katawa right there. Looking for something.
Red bell pepper.
Oh. So ito na yung grocery namin for today, guys. Maybe I will pay $200 for today. Have you tried a burrito before? Paano kaya babayaran ko today, guys? So, uwi na kami, guys. $130 for grocery for today I paid. Yan. Puno yung cart namin. First time namin bumili ng ganun ka. Kalaki ng halaga. Most of the time only less than $100 today I paid a lot.